DIY tropical backyard oasis. Create a budget-friendly landscape transformation. Transforming your backyard into a lush tropical paradise doesn't have to drain your wallet. Through strategic planning, innovative design, and resourceful techniques, you can create a stunning DIY oasis that not only elevates your outdoor space, but also provides a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. This guide will walk you through a series of budget-friendly landscaping strategies and creative ideas, ensuring that your dream of a personal paradise becomes a reality without financial strife. The journey begins with careful planning and design, where simplicity and functionality meet creativity. Start by envisioning how you want your tropical oasis to look and feel. Would you like it to have a dense, jungle-like atmosphere, or are you aiming for a more open, airy vibe reminiscent of a beachfront resort? Once you have a clear vision, sketch out a rough design of your backyard, focusing on the key elements such as plant placement, seating areas, and water features. Plants are the backbone of any tropical landscape, and choosing the right varieties is crucial to achieving that lush, vibrant look. Opt for budget-friendly plants that thrive in your climate, such as ferns, bamboo, and palms. Many tropical plants can be found at local nurseries or even online at a fraction of the cost if you opt for smaller, young plants. Additionally, consider incorporating perennial plants to minimize the need for replacement and upkeep. Utilizing native plants is a cost-effective and sustainable approach, as they are well-suited to the local climate and require less maintenance. Creating focal points is essential in landscape design, as it draws attention and adds depth to your outdoor space. Consider incorporating a DIY water feature like a small pond or a cascading waterfall, crafted with affordable materials such as stones, gravel, and a simple water pump. Not only does water bring a calming element to your backyard, but it also elevates the overall tropical aesthetic. If a water feature is not feasible, a hammock surrounded by lush vegetation can serve as a striking focal point and a cozy spot for relaxation. Incorporating natural materials and upcycled items can significantly reduce costs while enhancing the tropical vibe. Use bamboo, reclaimed wood, and stones to build pathways, garden borders, or seating areas. Pallets can be transformed into stylish outdoor furniture or planters, adding a rustic charm while keeping expenses low. Repurposing old items not only infuses creativity into your design, but also supports sustainable practices. Color and texture are powerful tools in creating an immersive tropical experience. Integrate vibrant colors through plant selection, such as brightly colored hibiscus, bird of paradise, or orchids. These bursts of color will mimic the diverse flora found in tropical regions. Complement these with varied textures by mixing broad, glossy leaves with delicate ferns and ornamental grasses, creating a rich tapestry of foliage that enhances the sense of a natural haven. Lighting plays a pivotal role in extending the enjoyment of your tropical backyard into the evening hours. Solar-powered lights can be a budget-friendly option to illuminate pathways, highlight features, and add ambience without increasing your electricity bill. String lights or lanterns hung among the trees or along fences bring warmth and a touch of magic, perfect for evening gatherings or quiet nights under the stars. Finally, personalize your tropical oasis with elements that reflect your style and preferences. Incorporate ornaments, garden sculptures, or even DIY art pieces that resonate with the theme. Whether you choose to add a mosaic stepping stone pathway, a Zen garden, or a cozy fire pit area, ensure it aligns with your vision of a perfect retreat. By embracing these budget-friendly strategies and imaginative solutions, anyone can transform their backyard into a lush tropical paradise that serves as a personal sanctuary. This DIY project not only enhances the aesthetics of your outdoor space, but also fosters a deeper connection with nature, providing a tranquil refuge right at your doorstep.